Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Patels for the Bus, where we bring you closer to the natural and peaceful life of our lovely turkey birds. Just take a look at them as they gather around to enjoy their favorite meal known as chokar. This is one of the most nutritious and affordable feeds for poultry, and our turkeys absolutely love it. Look at the excitement in their movements. You can see how eagerly they are pecking at feed. It's not a meal for them, it's a source of energy, strength, and happiness. Turkeys are social birds, and mealtime is one of their happiest moments. They gather together, interact, and enjoy every single bite. This video is made for you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. We will meet you in the next video.